Good morning, class 4 children. How are you all? Today I am with a revision video, and that revision video is of the topic the name of the topic is subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. If I am not forgotten, dear children, I have taught you this topic when you were in class 3rd also. I remember quite well, and you remember or not, that you know children, that you remember or not, but I remember very nicely that we have learned about this topic in class 3rd also, subject verb agreement. So what is subject verb agreement? We'll talk about this. And before starting that children, I would like to convey a message to you all that beta, your notebooks are not coming to the school for being checked. So please send your notebooks for correction, as your schools are going to be open from 1st of March. So please be ready with that. Okay children, in subject verb agreement, I will write, first of all I will write an example and then I will explain you what is subject verb agreement. The example goes like this. I have written a small sentence and a very important sentence. Malala wants all girls should go to school. Who is Malala? Malala Yousafzai. She was from Pakistan who fought for the right of the girls, for the education of girls. So here it is a sentence, Malala wants all girls should go to school. So in this sentence, what we know about subject verb agreement that we are going to convey. The part of the sentence in red is the subject of the sentence. See children, this Malala, here it is subject of the sentence. What is this? This is subject of the sentence. This whole sentence, it is the subject of the sentence. Malala, it is the subject of the sentence. And here, this word that I have circled, this word is verb of the sentence. This is verb of the sentence. So subject is the person, place, thing or idea about which we are talking about in the sentence, and a verb is used to describe an action. So what is subject? Subject is that about whom we are talking in the sentence, and verb is that shows us about the action that is being done by the subject. So what is subject verb agreement? That we will see here. Every sentence has subject and suitable verb. If you see beta, in every sentence there is a suitable subject, suitable verb, and subject and verb must agree with one another in number, singular or plural. This means that if subject is singular, the verb must also be singular. Similarly, if the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. This is called subject verb agreement. See, this subject verb agreement is nothing. It means that if your subject is singular, if the subject is singular, then your verb should be also singular. If your subject is plural, then the verb should also be plural. I will give you a simple example. Suppose I say, Ram is going to the market. So children, here Ram is what? Ram is subject. And children, this is also verb and this is also verb. But what we have to see is that this is a single subject and this is also a single verb.